Welcome guys, now we're going to the Gun Beach and we're gonna take this trail to go to the other side of the hill. Afternoon here in Guam, so we're gonna go on the Gun Beach. We'll see what's on the other side of that mountain. We're gonna check on that one, and then actually we're gonna plan to fly a drone on the other side. So this is the start of the trail, so we're gonna climb here. Halfway here, you see a lot of stairs in here. You need to be careful when climbing here. Let's take a look at the view here. You can see the beach bar on this side. We have also Hotel Nico, and the one that they are being constructed is what's that one? Chewbacca Tower. Look at that view. I got two friends there on the beach. Check them out. Now I'm checking here the map of DJI, so I can fly on this location. So we are safe to fly. See you in the sky. Leaving the Gun Beach, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this vlog.